Get ready to witness the future. VivaTech 2025 in Paris wasn't just another tech conference. It was a groundbreaking showcase where humanoid robots moved from science fiction into reality. This year, conversations about AI and robotics have become more urgent, raising bold questions about work, society, and what it means to be human. What was once just a distant dream has now become a reality. Humanoid robots, powered by advanced AI, are learning, assisting, and managing complex tasks. From helpful service bots to autonomous machines, the robotic revolution is underway. VivaTech 2025 made it very clear. This is no longer just a novelty. More than 36 companies showcased their robotic innovations, showing a significant shift. The mix of AI and hardware is pushing humanoids beyond simple gadgets. They are now ready for real-world use, even as the hype continues to grow. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang set an exciting tone for the week. His opening keynote was full of robotic demonstrations and contagious enthusiasm. Huang stated, "Soon, everything that moves will be robotic." Nvidia's commitment to robotics software is significant. Their Omniverse platform creates digital twins for robots, while new Isaac and Newton AI systems train them in virtual environments. Powerful GPUs are making AI systems more innovative and affordable, paving the way for factories filled with robot workers. The French government is making a significant effort to lead the way in AI-powered robotics. Under the France 2030 plan, 3 major initiatives were introduced. This strategic investment aims to position France at the forefront of this technological wave. A €30 million robotics acceleration research program will fund interdisciplinary work. It addresses core challenges, including control, perception, and locomotion. The goal is to advance intelligent robot prototypes for industry. The Pioneer of AI funding program supports deep tech startups and laboratories. It focuses on breakthrough AI innovations combined with robotics. Additionally, the AMI Robotique et Machine Intelligente call encourages collaborative research and development for modular, energy-efficient robotic systems. Early successes include AXGROUP's Spider solar-powered cleaning robot and Logi, an open-source, generative AI logistics robot. Both are funded by France 2030. BIPA France also hosted an investor breakfast, aptly titled Humanoid Robots, When AI Becomes Physical. We had an engaging fireside chat with Daniel Diaz, Chief Business Officer of Agility Robotics. The discussion focused on AI, robotics, humans, and the end of work as we know it. Diaz showcased Agility's Digit robot on stage. He emphasized how AI-powered robots will affect the workforce. "I think we're at the precipice of a fundamental change," Diaz stated. Agility Robotics concentrates on areas where it is hard to find skilled workers for specific jobs, demonstrating a practical approach to automation. Unitree Robotics, a leading company in the industry, showcased its advanced quadruped and humanoid robots. Sales manager Pedro Jung outlined an ambitious vision for AI integration. Founded in 2016, Unitree now has over 600 employees worldwide. Their product lineup includes consumer-focused Go series quadruped robots and heavy-duty B2 series for industrial inspection. These are often used in hazardous environments, such as firefighting and rescue missions. Unitree's humanoid robots represent their latest advancement. The H1 is designed for industrial uses, while the G1 targets a broader market. Excitingly, a smaller, more affordable humanoid model is in the works, potentially priced around $9,000. These humanoids serve various markets, including entertainment, manufacturing, and elderly care. They feature ChatGPT integration for voice commands and have advanced learning capabilities. Unitree demonstrated how humanoids can learn dance routines from videos and adapt to live performances. Jung highlighted their long-term vision. Only the humanoid robot can achieve general AI. Salesforce and French robotics company Enchanted Tools announced an exciting collaboration. They presented a vision where AI-powered robots could revolutionize customer service and facility management. This partnership combines business AI with social robotics. The demonstration integrated Salesforce's Agentforce platform with Enchanted Tools' Mirakai robot. Mirakai is a social companion created for natural human interaction. The demo showed how these technologies deliver more engaging user experiences. Why don't we combine the best of business AI with the best robots available? Asked Sebastian Jamin, AI director at Salesforce. Enchanted Tools' philosophy is to bring them to life, creating machines that are companions, not just tools, characters, not just efficient but also magical. Agentforce enables non-developers to build intelligent agents using a topic-based system. Mirakai is designed for various settings, including hospitals, stores, and hotels. It can act as a social companion, offer guidance, and handle logistical tasks. Mecha, the incredibly lifelike humanoid, made a remarkable appearance. This marvel, created by Engineered Arts and IVADO Labs, engaged visitors in conversations. French President Emmanuel Macron even stopped by for a brief interview with Mecha. Mecha highlighted advancements in social robots. It can recognize faces, detect emotions, and respond using a large language model. This demonstration suggested a future with highly engaging concierge or reception robots. Hugging Face, though not physically showcasing robots at Viva Tech, made waves worldwide. They hosted the LaRobot Worldwide Hackathon called the ChatGPT Moment of Robotics. Participants built robot arms and tuned AI models. This event followed Hugging Face's acquisition of Pollen Robotics. Pollen is known for its modular, open-source humanoid platform, Reachy 2. By combining Pollen's hardware with Hugging Face's open-source AI tools, they aim to give developers full-stack access to create customizable, embodied agents. VivaTech 2025 was more than just an exhibition. It offered a glimpse into a future where humanoids are a true part of our daily lives. From factories to homes, and from dangerous environments to social settings, robots are advancing at an unprecedented pace. The questions raised about AI, work, and society are deep, and the answers are being formed right now. Don't miss this amazing journey. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth looks into AI and robotics. Click the notification bell so you stay updated, and share this video with fellow tech fans. Let us know in the comments, which humanoid robot are you most excited about?